You can accompany me, sir.
Accompany you where?
To the bathroom, sir.
Where at?
You can...
There's lots of places you can go to the bathroom.
What do you mean?
You go...
Can I pay you?
No.
Oh my gosh.
I don't take money for that.
Psych. Alright, come on.
Come on,
are you
what?
Ready?
Ready for what?
No.
Why are you so wet? Are you sweating?
No, silly. I can't.
People don't generally act like this when they have to pee. Have you taken something tonight?
No.
It's not a crime to tell me that you've taken something. I just want to make sure you're
what
okay.
happened?
You're acting like you're high out of your mind.
Oh gosh, I'm not acting, sir.
Okay.
I am.
You are high out of your mind?
Yeah.
What did you take?
Huh?
What did you take?
Nothing, sir.
What's got you being so goofy?
So what?
What's
so
got
goofy?
you? Yeah. Did you use a little bit of meth today, or is it just crack?
Did I personally?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Well, I realize that you do have to pee, but
Yikes.
this isn't what people act like when they have to pee.
Yeah. Please have it. Have it, sir.
Have what?
Have it.
What am I supposed to have?
I'm gonna cry. Yes. Yes.
Okay. You want me to take you? You want me to take you to the EF so you can go to the bathroom?
They don't have a bathroom.
Well, I can probably get you in there.
Are you ready?
Where are you going? Do you want me to take you there so you can go pee and you stop freaking out?
Sir.
Okay.
Oh, I don't feel good, sir.
Do you want me to get a medic for you?
Oh, no, sir. That's crazy.
Okay.
Wow.
Go ahead and slide in here.
Oh, wow. Oh, sir. Oh, my back.
Hop in so I can take you there.
Ow. Oh.
Put your leg in. Yeah? One eye two. I'm gonna have a 5-1 over the DEF out of this if you're gonna be able to permit me there.
Okay.
Yeah, what was the address again that the homeowner lives out on Gallery?
Yes.
Copy, is that place more needed, sir?
Not yet.
Copy.
Oh gosh! No!
Yeah, if we can get a car to go over there, because the sister said she's going over to get her, but I don't have a lot of confidence in her. If we can send a car over there to just ask the homeowner if she gets to go in her house, that's all.
Down goes Fraser! Oh! Please. Oh! Please! Oh! Sir. I'm gonna pee on myself.
Okay, let's go inside.
Ow!
This way.
I'm gonna pee on myself, sir. Oh, wait.
Hang on.
Come on, don't do that.
Turn this way. Thank you, buddy.
Don't do that. Come on.
Oh, we'll probably see you in a little while.
Can you at least let go of my arm?
No, we're gonna hold on like
I'm
this.
running nowhere, sir.
I know, but you're acting really weird.
Oh, this isn't fair. I don't even have underwear on.
All right.
This isn't fair. What's your name?
We're gonna go to the back seat again.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Have a seat.
But I don't have to go all the way in, correct?
Yes, you do.
Why? Wait, am I being detained?
You are definitely being detained.
Why?
Because you're acting crazy.
No, but you guys picked me up.
I know I did, but I'm doing this for your own safety. Because
Oh,
you're not acting normal.
No, I'm not, sir.
It's okay. Just tell me
Do
what
you know that I got chased?
Okay. Tell me what you took
I
tonight.
didn't take anything, sir.
What'd you take yesterday or earlier?
Nothing, sir.
What drugs do you normally use?
I don't normally use drugs, sir. Back in the day, I played sports. Sports, and I got into an injury. And that's it. Percocet, that's it.
Okay.
Sir.
Do you have any mental problems? You
I mean,
don't?
depression.
Okay. When's the last time you were at the hospital for treatment for anything?
Today.
You were at the hospital today?
I'm in treatment, sir.
Treatment for what?
Drug and alcohol.
Okay. What drugs do you normally use?
I don't normally use drugs.
What drugs are you getting treatment for?
Opiates.
Opiates? Okay.
Oh, yes.
Why are you acting so crazy tonight?
Oh, man.
Because you're not acting
Because of my
normal.
OCD, sir.
Okay.
And then I have this cough, sir.
Okay. Well, let's get you to the hospital for more
No,
treatment.
sir, I don't want to go to the hospital.
What hospital were you at?
They scare me. I wasn't in a...
You said you were at the hospital today for treatment.
Okay, here's the scoop. I was at, what's it called? Matt's.
Okay.
That's it. Sir?
Well, listen. You're not acting like someone who is sober, okay?
Because I'm not, technically.
If you're not sober, what are you on?
I'm not driving, so I can't be arrested.
Well, you can. It's
sir.
disorderly conduct. You're not allowed to be out.
Huh?
You're not allowed to be out in the street acting the way you're acting.
I'm not acting.
It's your behavior.
Oh my gosh, but I was totally fine until you set me up.
You weren't. You were rolling around on the ground.
When?
Right before I picked you up.
Oh no, sir. There's... Oh my goodness.
So what is making you behave in this way?
You know what is?
What?
Police officers.
Okay.
That's all I can think of.
Well, you were acting like this before the police got involved, I promise.
No.
Yeah, because I saw you.
No. Me and my girlfriend, that's our business.
Okay.
She decided to be a stupid head.
Where do you live?
I live in Canal Winchester.
Canal Winchester? You're a long ways away from Canal Winchester.
Because...
Okay. Go ahead and put your feet on. I'm going to shut the door for a second.
I'm hot.
I need you to.
No, I said I'm hot.
I'm going to turn the air conditioning on, okay?
What is that? Sir!
Okay.
What happened to the AC?
It's on.
Wrong car.
Hang on. So I can open this up.
Crazy. The car has got to be started first.
The car is started.
There's no way.
Yep. Here, this window won't open up. We'll get to the hospital and they'll get you cooled down. Here you go.
No, I can't. I'm not going to the hospital, sir.
Yeah, I think you are.
There's no reason.
The reason is you're acting all crazy.
What? That's not a good reason.
It is a good reason because I think you're under the influence of some kind of drugs.
I'm under the influence of Jesus Christ, our Savior. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
I can't breathe.
I'll crack the windows.
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy.
Listen, we'll go to the hospital. They'll check you out.
No.
If they want to let you go, they'll let you go. No.
Why?
Because hospitals don't move like that.
Yeah, why can't you call a medic?
Because.
Oh my gosh, you're wasting your time. I'm leaving as soon as I get there.
192.
192.
Out of this, I'm going to have a female 5'1"
You know what
Montgomery
you're
West.
doing?
Beginning is
You're
800.
making me lose all my clothes and my personal belongings. If you leave here.
150 call on.
Oh my clothes will be gone. Are you fucking serious? Sir. That's all I had.
358, you have female available for search.
They're gonna think I'm going to jail. They're gonna steal all my shit.
Female available.
Do you know what's in there? Do you know what's in there? Oh my God. That's my grandmother's wedding ring is in there on my necklace.
Okay, town.
Sir, please turn around.
Less than 10 minutes.
Please turn around,
I think you're
sir.
going to the ER entrance.
Sir, please. Sir, please turn around. Please turn around. Please, that's all I have. That's all I have. That's all I have of my grandmother.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Gary, right? When he finds out, he's gonna take my life. What? Doesn't that sound crazy?
It does sound a little crazy.
Do you know what sounds crazier?
What?
Is that it's gonna happen, and there's nothing I can do about it. When my uncle, what did I say? When my Uncle Gary finds out that that ring is gone, he doesn't care. He got shit to do with a piece of garbage. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna rape me. And then he's gonna kill me.
193.
Oh, shit! Yeah, I'm tired, huh? How about them motherfucking Browns?
The Browns did play today, didn't they?
Huh?
The Browns played tonight, didn't they?
Did they win, motherfucker?
I don't know. I don't have cable.
They shouldn't have fucking garbage!
Well, it's still the preseason.
Hey, no, that don't matter, bro. Preseason counts.
No, it doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
Me. I want out of these things, bro.
I'm gonna come get you out.
Oh, okay. Cool, man. Look at this.
I gotta roll the windows up.
Oh, no.
We're getting out though.
Okay, cool. It's so hot. I'm sweating. I'm hotter than a faggot at a wiener roast.
Yeah. Well, I just said extremely high or crazy.
Guys, please.
Hey,
Please.
Shelby, listen.
No, I'm starting to panic.
Okay, are you gonna walk in cool with me?
Yes.
I don't need to put you in handcuffs or anything?
No.
Okay, go ahead and step out.
I wasn't even handcuffed. I mean,
No.
not handcuffed, but I
No.
wasn't even like...
Can you lock the car up?
Thank you, sir. Do you see me? Like my
I do.
my sweat, though?
Yeah, you're sweating like crazy. I think it's because you're high.
Oh, no.
You want to go in the side door there?